Greeting inventors, how is everyone doing? It's your host, creator, and I'm thrilled to have you back on my channel. If you have been following my channel, you know we have explored a couple of electronic gems from MakerBazar in previous videos. Well, hold on because today we are taking it up a notch with the next level unboxing. Before we jump into today's videos, let me explain about MakerBazar within 1 minute. MakerBazar is one of the most famous Indian online platform that hooks you up with the electronic components at the most affordable prices. Now, here is the cool part. MakerBazar is tailor-made for students, those who are passionate about making projects but can't splash out on expensive gear. But MakerBuzzer is a budget-friendly haven for those who looking to bring their ideas to life. Now enough talk, let's get to the exciting part, the unboxing of this Marvel mysterious box. Why wait any longer? Let's jump right into the video. Here is our mysterious box from MakerBazar. And I got this box at 1049 Indian rupees. Why wait? Let's open and see what are the gems in this box. These are 5 glue sticks, 7 mm diameter, which are suitable for my hot glue gun. And this is type C OTG cable. I think it is 13 rupees or 12 rupees. I don't know exact price. Don't worry, I will provide each and every product price on the screen. You guys know what's the difference between MakerBazar and outside. This OTG, same OTG, you can get 13 rupees or 12 rupees in MakerBazar, but outside they sell it nearly 40 rupees, 50 rupees and 60 rupees. What I'm saying is that before going to buy, compare this same OTG outside and MakerBazar. And our next gem is limit switch. This is different from random switch like which we are using in batteries, torch lights, etc. I will show you how it is useful in next coming experiments. See, it contains 3 legs and one small mini switch. And next one is a temperature resistor tape. You can see such tapes in batteries where terminals are there. You can see on the screen how it is included in lithium ion batteries. It is not transparent, it is just like something gold color. And our next product is super glue. They mentioned fix well. We'll see what is inside. Here is a super glue. Let me see what is inside this cover. It is, they gave some cap and tube like one, and this is red colored 3-leg toggle switch. You may know already how it is useful and where it is used in electronic projects. And these are the BC547 transistors. No one need introduction about this transistor. And these are 2N2222 NPN transistors. And these are the two circular magnets. I have ordered both magnets at a time, but why I don't know. They packed separately. Let me show you how it is. It is just looks like small magnet which is in earphones. And these are the two alligator crocodile wires which we use in connecting wires instead of soldering. And this is the cutter from Taparia brand. People also call this cutter like flesh cutter. And these are the pack of 5 RGB LEDs. And our next product is DC motor. It is not just a DC motor. It can pump out water from buckets and more. I wanna make new project with this. In my previous video I made soil moisture sensor, but I did not attach this motor to plant water to my mini plants. So now I decided to add this motor to the previous previous project, and I'm going to update that project. And this is the AA battery holder. You can use 4 batteries at a time and increase voltage. And this is small buzzer which we can use in small projects. It is B10 buzzer. I think I also ordered big buzzer. not big buzzer. It's big buzzer when compared to previous buzzer. And these are the push switches, and it is magnetic control switch. I don't know how it is going to work. I saw it in MakerBazar and I ordered. I'm sure I will definitely do one project with this switch. See how it is. It is sensitive and smooth glass. Okay, let's do any project with this switch in the future. And our next product is TF13F DC motor. It works on 12 volts to 24 volts. You can see this type of DC motors in trimmers, etc. And these are insulated gloves. I don't know will suitable for my hand size or not. Let me see. These are insulated gloves, so you will not get any current shocks. While I am doing projects, I got lot of times current shock, so I decided to buy this type of gloves. You can get these gloves at 49 Indian rupees, I think. And there is no introduction about this bar magnet. You guys may already saw this in your school. And this is step up booster. You can boost to voltage up to 24 volts. And these are two AA batteries, no need introduction to it. And this is small laser light. It works from 3.5 volts to above. And finally, this is the digital thermometer. I bought it nearly 130 rupees, I think. I will mention price on the screen. What is in they provided 2 batteries. From back side you can insert these 2 batteries. See, my room temperature is 27.5 Celsius. You can extend this cable. Let's make a little experiment. See, when I'm holding this sensor in my hand, see how it is increasing temperature. It is 31.9 Celsius. See how it is increasing. 32.2, 3. It is increasing gradually. 32.6. Let's do another experiment. See, when I am letting this lighter, its temperature is increasing gradually. See now, it is showing high temperature. Oh, it's more hot. Now it is 75 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to dip this sensor in water. See how it is decreasing gradually. It is 27, 26, 25. Yeah, this digital thermometer is working properly. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Until next video.